Do you know what Smreka is? Let's find out together. Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about Smreka. And I have my own with a little bit of twist, so it might look a bit different. And if you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, Smreka is Balkan Bittersweet lemonade, and it's made from juniper berries and water. So basically it's a fermented drink and it's really good for your gut. And because I like things with a twist, I made mine with Berberis darwinii berries. And if you have no clue what these wonderful berries are, you can check the video above where I was harvesting them, and they are full of vitamin C. I can show you juniper berries because I put my last ones into the drink, but I'm sure you can buy juniper berries everywhere, and if you are lucky enough and have your own juniper berries, this is a great easy drink to make. So basically you need to put a handful of berries into nice and filtered water, and you can let it sit for 2 to 4 weeks. Really depends how you like it and stuff like that. So this is my first time and I think I will go for a month. What you do every day, give it a good shake, and every couple of days open the lid so it can burp. It's called like burping. And then once it's aromatic and slightly carbonated, you can have a wonderful drink. It's up to you whether you would like to add some honey, ginger, lemon, whatever. It's really your drink, so whatever you fancy. You can put some spirit there as well for something more a bit fancy drinking if you like. I'm gonna have it without alcohol, and I can't just wait. It really depends on the taste. I might put some lemon, some honey. I will see. And juniper is really fantastic. It's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. It really helps with any digestion problems, and it's really good for people who struggle with appetite. Not me though. So this is a great way how to add some juniper berries into your diet, and it's just water and juniper berries. I came across this by accident and I really love simple recipes, and water and juniper berries, that will do for me. So how about you? Are you going to try it? Let me know what is your favorite combination, and you can have a couple of jars on the go because it takes a couple of weeks, so you can start one first week, then second week, or in couple of days. So handy tip is you can put the date on the top of the lid, so you know you don't lose track how many days your juniper berries are fermenting for. So let me know in the comments below whether you are going to try it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so, leave me some comments, share with your friends and family, spread some love, and stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.